Good day, everyone. This is my 3 minutes thesis competition. My name is John Mark Siganson, Master of Science in Environmental Management. My title is The Impact of Exercise, Physical Activity, and Healthy Lifestyle Eating Among the Youth. Exercise and healthy eating, what are the effects in the youth? The purpose the research is to describe the impact of exercise and healthy eating on the youth's psychological, mental, and social well-being. The aim of the thesis is to shed light on the positive and negative aspect of exercise, healthy eating, and the role of the nurse in promoting physical activity and healthy lifestyle. Ang pag-exercise ay napakalaking tulong nito sa isang kabataan dahil magiging active ang ating utak at katawan sa pag-exercise like jogging, meditating, at basketball. Sa meditating guys is nakakapag-isip tayo ng maigi na kumbaga mag-meditate tayo ng mga 3 minutes to 5 minutes ay makakapag-isip tayo ng dapat nating gawin or marami tayong maiisip na idea sa kung ano man ang gusto nating gawin. Ang pag-basketball naman tsaka jogging ay makakatulong to upang maiwasan natin ng stress at nakakatanggal din to ng stress kung saan ay magiging mataas ang ating happy hormones sa paggagawa ng mga physical activity. Dako naman tayo sa healthy eating. Sa healthy eating guys, pag mga masustansya ang ating kinakain, tayo ay nakakaiwas sa mga sakit. At ito ay nakakatulong sa ating para humaba ang ating buhay. At tayo ay maging healthy. Sa mga di naman masustansyang pagkain ay pinapaikli nito ang ating buhay. Like mga junk food, processed food, yan sila diyan tayo nakakuha ng mga iba't ibang sakit na nakasama sa ating katawan. According to Gordon Larson, 2007, there is strong evidence that children and adolescents benefits from physical activity through improved cardiorespiratory and muscular fitness, bone health, cardiovascular and metabolic health biomarkers. And there is a growing body of evidence that inactive children are more likely to become inactive adults. Napakalaki talaga ng tulong ng physical activity and healthy eating dahil natutulungan nito ang ating katawan para maging active and healthy. And that's it. Thank you for watching.